Have fun writing letters, numbers, and more with Mr. Pencil's Scribble and Write. Explore 6 activities that will introduce writing, drawing, and spelling. Step by step, Mr. Pencil will show how to write numbers, shapes, uppercase letters, and lowercase letters.
Press any button to begin. Uppercase letters. Touch an uppercase letter to learn how to write it. Uppercase letter O. Let's write it. Start here and drag along the line to here. O. Ah. Octopus. Touch him. Uppercase letter C. Let's write it. C. Car. Touch a wheel. Spelling. Choose your challenge level. A super challenge. Use the letter buttons to spell the word pet. P. E. T. Pet. Perfect. Next, use the letter buttons to spell the word sack. Numbers. Touch a number to learn how to write it. 1. Let's write it. Start here and drag along the line to here. 1. 1 balloon. Tap it. Free draw. Draw anything you want. Tap here when you are finished. Finished. Nice drawing. Shapes. Tap one to draw it. Tap the rectangle, heart, star, triangle.